Why are overseas online IP proxies becoming more and more popular now? With the advent of the era of big data, the internet continues to develop. More and more people choose to conduct business through proxy IP to meet your own needs. What role does the proxy IP play? The role of proxy servers. Proxy server is a remote computer. If user connects to it from his device, then the remote computer becomes an intermediary for internet surfing. In general, the role of the proxy server is as follows. Realize high-speed internet through intelligent caching of information. The size of the cache in the proxy is measured in gigabytes. In addition, the proxy stores stages previously opened by other users in the cache, thereby making them available to other users more quickly. Access to websites whose IP addresses are blacklisted. View some websites that restrict access to IP geographical location. Through social media activities to achieve her purpose of increasing popularity and promoting. At present, here's 5 Proxy is an agent that generally responds better to users on the market. Very good value for money.